We need two things here. One of them is a circular image, maybe a moon, earth or ball or any other image of your preference, and the other thing we need is the image of a character. The name of the character in this video is Mr. One. Watch this video till the end and I am sure that you will start thinking of new creative ideas and you will understand the keyframe concept very well. I am also very much sure that after watching this video, you will definitely learn many new things. We can get both these stickers by going to the layered video section and selecting the stickers part. We need to find the picture of the earth and import to the timeline window. Let's go to the get more section and we can see a lot of stickers here, and we can find Mr. One in the office pack, and this is a premium pack and we can unlock it by watching a small video once. We need to get him to the timeline window. Also, there is one more video which I posted on my channel and is on how you can bring hundreds of effects to your videos. I would recommend you watching that so that understanding in this video becomes easier. Coming back to this, we are seeing these buildings on the earth and we can cover those by using the mask technique. Go to edit options and select mask. Select the eclipse mask and drag the mask inwards and you will see it covering the buildings, and we have to stop at a point where we see none of them. If required, we have to do a little bit of adjusting as well. So we are done with masking and we have to place the earth in the middle of the screen. We need to place the character at equal time intervals and at equal distance. For that, we need to get into mathematics, and there is quite some maths in this video, which is something I did not want to have, but actually I am helpless here. But for the sake of your understanding, I will give only the required information, not too much and not too less, and will keep things simple and basic. The outline of this character are these dotted straight lines, and you have to place the character such a way that these lines act as a tangent to the circular earth. I'm just having this image here so that you understand what a tangent is in case you have forgotten. Point 1 is the start position and point 2 is the end position. Let us have one more point in the middle of these 2 points, and now we have a total of 3 points. But I'm afraid these won't be enough because Mr. One always walks in a straight line, so by connecting these 3 lines we will be seeing a triangle top, which is something we don't want. Let's add 2 more points in between 3 points, and after interconnecting these points, they somewhat look like a circle. It looks good though, but we can actually make it better by adding some more points. This gives us more accuracy. So after connecting these points, it's much better than the previous one, and let's go ahead with this. So we have a total of 9 points, and let's rename them from 1 to 9, and we need to place the character at these 9 points. We have to go to the keyframe part and we can see 3 things at the bottom and are of utmost importance in this video. X and Y value is the position in 2 dimensions, the other is scale, and the last one is the rotation. So at these 9 positions we need to take care of 3 things. So totally there are 27 things that you need to take care of. Even a single thing wrong, you might see unexpected behavior. Position is something which can be taken care by placing the character at tangent to the circle. Otherwise we would have done some complicated mathematics here by bringing in the equation of a circle, which is something I don't want. Coming to the scale part, it is nothing but the size of the image, and this needs to be kept same for all the points, and you can decide the size by placing the character at 0.5 so that he doesn't run out of the video. So there is no calculation required in the X and Y position and in the scale value. The pending thing is the rotation, and we need to calculate this for all the 9 points. If the character is looking in the forward direction, then there is no rotation, which means that the rotation is 0 degrees, and 0.5 is the position where he will be looking forward. So let's place him there. Now coming to the start point, which is point 1, we have to rotate him to left by 90 degrees so that he looks up, and similarly at point 9 he has to look down, and the rotation here is plus 90. Let me explain the rotation for point 3, which is in the middle of point 1 and point 5, and point 1 and point 5 have an angle of 90 degrees between them, so it will be divided by 2. Hence the rotation of point 3 is minus 45 degrees. Like this, we have to do the math and find the rotation of all the other points as well. You can see the rotation of other points on the screen and let me know if you have any questions on these in the comment section. So the calculation part is done and I promise there will be no more math from here on. Now we need to go to the keyframe option and expand the timeline for better accuracy. For marking position 1, we need to tap on this diamond icon on the right at time 0, and once done, we can see this diamond icon in the timeline window as well. Once we move this blue line over the diamond, we see it turning yellow and we need to stop here. Now we need to rotate this character by minus 90 degrees, making sure that the size is 0.076 and place it at 0.1 at tangential position. Once done, this is how Mr. 1 will look. Let's go to point 9 now and do the same thing at this point as well. Let's select the frame by tapping on the diamond button and place it at 8 seconds. Let's rotate the character to 90 degrees and make sure that the scale is 0.076 or any value near to it. In the meantime I am doing this, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Like this, we have to set the remaining 7 points as per the data shown. One more thing I want to tell is, here we have placed the character at time interval of 1 second. So if you want Mr. 1 to walk faster, you can place him at every half a second. You can also increase the time to 2 seconds for him to walk slower. It would be better if you use mouse in these type of editing because it gets difficult to achieve the rotation and scale values. Once you are done with all the editing, scroll through the frames and make sure that the scale value doesn't change. Also, the difference in the rotation between the frames should be near about 23 degrees. You can also mention your questions or any suggestions in comments and I will answer them. I am also fast forwarding the video here, and if you have any problems in setting the other positions, you can refer to this uncut video which is posted in my channel and I will be having the link in video description. So guys, that's all in this video. Stay safe and thanks for watching.